In this video, I will show you how you can get Snapchat Plus for less than 30 Ghana cedis on your phone. Whether you're using an iPhone or an Android phone, you can get it. So if you are using Snapchat and you want this is good for you. Now, if you open to my Snapchat, you can see I have this Snapchat Plus. I'm using it already. Okay, so if you tap on Snapchat Plus right here, you can see I have access to this gift Snapchat Plus, custom app teams, chat wallpapers, pin best friend, friends in charge, like replay your own snaps, replay others that my own. You see, you have so many options here. That's what I'm saying today. I'll show you how you can also get yours. So if you are new here, just give me a follow and let's continue. Now, to do this, all you have to do is to open into your app store. Okay. So now once you open into your app store, check the right corner here, top here. Okay. You're going to see your profile here. Just tap on your profile. Once you tap on your profile, you can see these are the options over here. We have the subscriptions, apps and purchase history, update, notification, rating, and others. Just tap on the subscription. Once you tap on the subscription, you're going to see your subscriptions app here. So we have active iCloud Plus and Snapchat. I have YouTube that's inactive. So I'll tap on Snapchat Plus right here and I'll tap on see my plans. Okay. So you can see I'm currently using this Snapchat Plus monthly. I didn't know about this until now. Okay. So in this video, I'll show you how you can also do your own. So if you scroll through, you're going to see we have 1.99 per year. You understand? Annual plan. This is really, really cool. So you can just tap on it and you choose to pay for it with your credit card or virtual card. If you don't have some, in my next video, I'll show you how you can get this, payment, credit card to, pay your online subscriptions. Okay. It's very, very simple. Now, if you want cheap data bundles too, don't forget, if you come to your Google Chrome or Safari, once you come to Google Chrome or Safari, you're going to see we have Jeffrey's Data here. Jeffrey's Data, they offer you with cheap data bundles over here. Okay. It's very, very cool. So if you tap on choose option, you're going to see you have 1 gig for 5 Ghana cedis, 2 gig for 11 Ghana cedis. So you choose the one you want to buy and you go for it. The link is in my bio, so make sure you do well to check it out. And the name is Jeffrey's Data. Let me see you in my next video.